Hello there. Welcome to another episode of Shoe Game. Today I'm excited for another shoe that I got coming in, or that I just got in today. By got in, I mean just bought. Just got back from the Palace. And what we got today is a standard mid, the Jordan 1 mid Knicks. As you can probably tell, similar to how the Lakers were. It's a Knick colorway for the Jordans. They're going retail for $125, your standard mid prices. Retail, and these came out February 17th, 2023. Resale, they're going, a size 12 is going anywhere from a 110 to about 120. So right, a little bit under retail at the time of me recording this. And then there's really nothing special in terms of detailing with the shoe. It's just the color blocking that's really appealing to me with the shoe. So I wish I should have brought out my Knicks, because these really these really complement the Lakers colorway is with the Knicks colorway. So I'm a big NBA fan. So I'm not a Laker or Knick fan, but I just like the colorway that it's sports related. So it's a standard leather, nothing special. We got the orange bottom. In this video with the lighting, with a lot of these shoes, the color is going to look a tad bit off than it is in person. But this is an orange right here. This is a good like royal blue. We got the white laces. We got the orange right here with the air. And it's kind of it's a white Jumpman here. And then we got the blue interior with the orange insole. So again, nothing special. But just like the colorway of it. And it's more range. I don't have a lot of blue and orange. Looking real quick at my collection I don't have a lot of blue, period. So just getting some more range with colorways is always nice. And I like how the laces are white. No alternate laces with these. But I'm going to go ahead and throw these on the feet real quick and give you guys the on-feet view. Or, yeah, on-feet view. All right, shoes are on feet. And again, just like with every shoe I seem to buy, they look even better on foot. I noticed on foot, it doesn't seem like as much orange as the shoe seems like it has when it's sitting on a shelf, because the sole, you don't really see as much when your foot is planted. Also might be because I'm on carpet. But, so it almost looks like it just has a touch of orange. But anyway, I like the overall view and the overall feeling of it. These insoles actually seem softer than how mids have usually felt in the past. I don't know if that's just, it feels different or weird right now and they've always been like that, or if this insole is actually softer, because it feels like it has a little more cushion in them. But these are what they look on foot. Let me know what you guys think. If you copped them, I know some people in the Lakers video said they ended up copping the Knicks. So let me know what you guys think. If you like them, if you don't like them, what you guys got and what you guys have passed on, all kinds of things. Just let me know in the comments. But appreciate you guys for watching this video, and catch you guys next time.